Hello, in this video I'm going to show the productivity tricks on VIVO X300 Pro. Okay, so let's open up our settings first. Now let's scroll down until you find shortcuts and accessibility, and in here we have the best productivity features. They are under the multitasking. We have the split screen mode, a small window, and the smart sidebar. Let's begin with the split screen maybe. Let's enable swipe up with 3 fingers to split screen. As we scroll to the right side, we have a preview how we can launch it. So I'll show you how you can do it. So first we need to select our first app. For example, let it be the calculator. And now we can open up the recent apps using this button, click on that arrow, and we can enter the split screen just like that. Then click on got it. And now select the second app that you would like to use for the split screen mode. Now, as you can see, our screen has been perfectly split in half. And down below we have the apps, above we have our calculator, and that's good because we can do 2 things at the same time and we don't need to switch between the apps. If you grab that bar in the middle, those 3 dots, you can adjust the size of the apps. But be aware that if you go too much to the upside or to the downside, one of the apps will be closed and the second will be in the full screen, so you need to be aware of that. Okay, if you click on those 3 dots, you can change the side of those apps, and you can also add it as a combination. Now, we don't have to each time open up the split screen mode manually. I'll close it up. Just to show you that we have a shortcut now. I'll tap on that and both apps are opening in the split screen mode almost immediately. So it is really cool feature. Now, next thing is opening using that gesture. So first I need to turn it on because I think that I didn't do it. Oh, it is. But we can always click on learn gestures. So now we need to swipe with 3 fingers to enter the split screen mode, just like that, and now select the second app. For example, themes. Oh, they are not supported, so we need to select another app, maybe the Facebook, and it is supported, as you can see. Okay. Now I want to close it up, split screen again, learn gestures. We can swipe up if we are using full screen gestures. In my case, it won't work because I'm using the buttons. So that is why it won't work. All right, now let's go with the floating window. So again, let's go into shortcuts and accessibility. And not the split screen, but the small window. Okay, we have also 2 ways how we can launch it. Let me open up the notes. Now open up the recent apps, click on the arrow, and now open up the small window. As you can see, it also works just fine. If you grab on the edge, you can adjust the size of the window. If you will minimize it, you should be able to place it on the side of the screen. Now it's attached. All you need to do to launch it is to tap on that, and you can see that it launches. So everything works just fine. If you click this button, it opens up in full screen mode. So that's how the floating window works. Also, it's pretty useful, I would say. Next thing is the smart sidebar. We also need to launch it. Smart sidebar, enable it. It appears right in here. We can slide it, and as you can see, we have a list of apps that we can open. If you tap on each of those icons, it will open up in the floating window. If you click on that arrow, you are able to use the quick tools such as captions, for example. We can extract the text and also translate the screen. We can also edit this bar by clicking the edit button. Let's say I don't want albums, messages, and Gmail right in here, and instead of that, I want to have the, I don't know, maybe the Instagram, the TikTok, and the settings. To save it, click on Done, and now our Smart Sidebar has been successfully launched. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.